Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the importance of operating context when it comes to identifying proactive maintenance tasks and other strategies for your equipment. The kinds of maintenance tasks and the intervals at which you do them can vary greatly. For an identical piece of equipment that's being operated, say, in the Southeast United States in the summer versus a piece of equipment that's being operated in Alaska in the winter where it's really cold. Here's an example of that with our metal building. When they poured the cement floor, it was really hot. It was in the low 90s. And so because of that, we had to make sure that we wadded the cement floor for several days to make sure that it didn't dry too quickly, because that could cause excessive cracks. Today, where they're pouring the porches, it's not even 70 degrees yet. So we don't have to water it. So that is an example of how you take care of things differently given the operating environment. When we do reliability-centered maintenance, before we even start the analysis, we get very clear on what the operating environment is. So that can include things like where we're going to operate the equipment, how often we're going to operate the equipment, what kind of demands are going to be put on it,
the circumstances under which the system will be operated, like will it be standalone, or will it be one of 4 systems that run at one time, but it's rotated monthly. We also consider redundancy. Will the system or any of its components operate in the presence of a backup?
Here's another example of operating context. The porches that are being poured are going to be broom finished, so it'll be a little rough. And the reason for that is, of course, so we don't slip when we're walking on it. In contrast, the cement floor is hard trowel finished. It has a much smoother finish, and that is so that when my husband is working in the garage and things are spilled, it's easier to clean up.
Factors such as your physical environment, operational tempo, the specific circumstances under which you operate your equipment, and redundancy significantly impact the maintenance tasks identified through RCM and their frequency. Additionally, your operating context can shape other failure management strategies, including emergency procedures and the need for certain equipment redesigns.
I'm Nancy Regan from Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Thank you for watching.